Hello grade 7. Since we are in asynchronous classes and we are not be able to have asynchronous classes and also face-to-face classes. Wow! Wow! So, I made this video about the concentration, solving the concentration, percent by volume and percent by mass. Para meron kayong mapanood or mabalik-balikan. And what else pa ba? Cut. Okay, so yun. So I made this video para kahit pa paano meron tayong short discussion, and I hope that you enjoy and learn in this video. Boys at the back. Okay, good afternoon or good afternoon ba? Good morning.
Di ba hanap ko? Kaya ako na, nalilito na rin ako.
Okay, so good morning. So now, let's start our discussion for today. And last Friday, we discussed about the percent by mass and also the percent by volume. And ito about the concentration. When we say concentration, kapag sinabi nating concentration at saka ano nga yun, and diluted, what does it mean kapag sinabi nating concentration and dilute? Kapag sinabi nating concentration, it tells us how much solute is dissolved in a certain amount of a solvent. Kung gaano kadaming
bola lang yan.
Solute ang na-dissolve doon sa certain amount of a solvent. Like for example, lagay tayo dito tayo. Like for example, that is concentration. When we say concentration, it tells us how much solute is dissolved in a certain amount of solvent. Like for example, a concentrated solution has a lot of solute in a small amount of solvent. Like a super sweet juice, kapag nagtimpla ka ng juice tapos dinamihan mo yung sugar or yung powder ng juice tapos konti lang yung tubig, so that is a concentrated solution yan siya, or tinatawag natin concentration. And kapag sinabi naman natin diluted or dilute, okay, magkadikit yan siya, magkadikit yan si dilute. Kasi natin yung pagkasulat. Diluted or dilute. Kapag sinabi naman natin dilute, it means the solution has only small amount of solute and a lot of solvent. So, dito, more yung solute, tapos less yung solvent dun sa ating solution naman tuloy. Kapag dito naman sa diluted, more less yung ating less si solute, but si ating solvent ay marami, more yung ating solvent. Like for example, meron kang isang litrong Aqua Plus. Yan, merong ganda ng Aqua Plus ko, no? May hawakan yung Aqua Plus ko.
Hindi totoo yan.
Yan sa taas, dito sa gilid ng aking Aqua Plus. Yan. Like for example, may lagyan natin ng logo. Yan. Wow! Timpla ka ng juice. Tapos yan ay 1,000 ml ng water. Tapos naglagay ka dyan ng
Meng, tagal kanina pa. Kaya nga tagal
konting-konti na powder. Nag-boost ka ng konting-konti na powder. Okay? Konti lang nilagay mong powder doon na juice. So, tinimpla mo siya. So, ang magiging kalabasan nun, diluted siya. Less yung ating solute, pero marami yung ating solvent. So, para siyang magiging matabang. Yun, di ba magiging matabang siya or hindi siya matamis. Ibig sabihin matabang siya. Marami siyang solvent. Okay? So, yung concentration, pinag-usapan natin the concentration and the percent by mass and the percent by volume. So, now, dito pa rin tayo. Pag-usapan pa rin natin si percent by volume at saka si percent by mass. But, magkakaroon tayo ng different case, no? Like, for example, kung dito, hinahanap natin si percent by mass, hinahanap natin si percent by volume, here, ang hanapin naman natin, baka for example, ang kailangan nating hanapin is si mass ng ating solute or yung volume ng ating solute. Okay? So, meron tayong mga scenario na ganyan. Okay?
Utang na lang, mahihimatay aga ako. Ang pangan na to.
So, let's move on to the solving natin. Okay, basahin natin. So, we have this, ito yung sample problem natin. You are told that a juice mixture is 25% orange juice by volume and the total volume of the solution is 200 ml. So, what is the volume of the orange juice, which is solute, in the mixture? So, dito, unahin natin gagawin is to know what is the problem. Ano ba yung ating problem dito? Ano ba yung ating problema? Ano ba yung ating hinahanap dito? So, we are looking for the volume of the orange juice. Yung volume ng ating orange juice. Okay? Hinahanap natin yung volume ng ating orange juice, which is the solute. Yung hinahanap natin. So, ngayon, ano yung mga given natin? Let's identify kung ano yung mga given natin. Una, we have the given 25%. So, that is the percent by volume, percent by volume. So, that is 25%. And our total volume of the solution or the volume of solution is equals to 200 ml. Okay, so ayan yung mga values natin. And ang hinahanap natin is yung volume of solute. Okay. So, kung babalikan natin yung formulas natin kanina sa volume. Okay? Balikan natin sila. We have the percent by volume. Balikan ko na to. So, percent by volume is equals to the volume of solute times over volume solution times 100%. So, that is 100%. So, always indicate na dyan. That is 100%. 100%. Okay? So, ang hinahanap natin, this one, si volume of solute lang. Si volume of solute ang hinahanap natin. So, in order for us to find the volume solute, kailangan nating magkaroon ng pag-derive ng formula. So, in deriving the formula, the first thing that we need to do is to remove the 100%. Kailangan natin ma-remove si 100%. So, in order for us to remove the 100% here, magdi-divide tayo both side. Maglalag both side by 100. So, imagine maglalagay tayo dito ng 100 ulit. 100. So, kapag naglagay tayo dito ng 100, we divide both side by 100. Sa kabila natin, sa nagsaseparate sa kanila ng equal sign, maglalagay din tayo ng 100. So, maka-cancel natin. So, pwede natin makancel si 100. Makancel na rin natin silang dalawa. So, wala na tayong so, if we're going to rewrite the formula na meron tayo, okay? So, volume, percent by volume, percent by volume over 100. So, ito yan siya. Diba? Is equals to the, palitan natin ang kulay para colorful tayo. Volume of solute over volume of solution. Okay? So, wala ng times 100 kasi na-cancel na natin siya. Wala ng times 100% kasi na-cancel na natin. So, ito ang kailangan nating mahanap. So, kailangan pa natin itong matanggal o anong gagawin natin dito in order for us to remove the volume of solution para matira na lang si volume of solute kasi that is our goal, is to get the volume of solute. So, in order for us to do that, we need to divide both sides ito yung side natin, ito yung isang side, and this is the other side. We multiply both side by volume of solution. So let's multiply. So pwede natin ilagay yung open and close parenthesis, volume of solution. Yan. So kapag nakita nyo yung parenthesis na yan, that means multiplication ha. Tayo ay nagmo-multiply kapag mayroong parenthesis. So volume solute over volume solution times volume of the solution. So kapag naglagay tayo dito ng volume, we multiply volume of solution. Kailangan maglalagay din tayo dito sa kabila. So volume, paano natin ito ilalagay? Ang sisingit natin, iurong natin siya. Ang galing ko. Ay, sorry. Yan, iurong natin siya. Iyon.
Yabang-yabang ito.
Malakpan ka naman dyan. So, ayan. So, maglalagay tayo dito ng volume of solution. So, if we're going to read this, volume of solution times percent by volume over 100 is equals. So, dahil meron na tayong percent by volume, pwede natin siyang ma-cancel. Cancel na natin siya. Ang matitira na lang is the volume of the solute. So, therefore, meron na tayong natitira na lang sa atin is the volume of solute. So, if you're going to rewrite this one, so, i-rewrite natin siya dito sa, natin siya pwedeng i-rewrite. Sa another, create tayo ng another slide. Yan. So, dito. So, tanggalin natin lahat ng nandito. Tatanggalin natin. Yan. Delete. Bam. Linis.
Magaling ka eh.
So, kanina, so, meron na tayo dito ayan. So, same color na gagawin natin. So, we're going to rewrite yung ating formula. Okay, so we have volume of solute is equals, so ito na yan si volume of solute, no? Ito na yan siya. Ayan na yan siya. Then, equals natin si dilaw ang gamitin natin. Equals the volume, sorry, that is percent by volume, rather, percent by volume. Percent by volume over 100 times the volume of solution. Sipon-sipon ba tayo?
Huwag ka nung mimik ha. Hirap na ako eh ha.
So ito na siya ang ating formula. So yung ating volume of solution, percent by volume, as divided by 100. Yung ito na yan, ito na yan siya. Yan na yan siya. Okay? So, kahit mo na si volume of solution or si percent by volume is that is okay. So, this is our formula that we're going to use to answer this problem. Okay? So, i-copy natin siya.
Kape ka muna.
Select natin, copy natin, then copy and paste. Ayan na siya. Litan natin daw kung pwede. Uy, pwedeng malitan. Grabe na rin yun. Isa pa. Move natin. Oh, sorry. Wow, amazing.
Bright na bright ka talaga.
Okay, so